Naja from NajaDiamond.com, and I'm coming to you today with another makeup tutorial, Halloween makeup tutorial. So this is going to be my, here, let me show you like the full outfit. So, yeah. I am going to be the dead Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz. So yeah, I just went ahead and did kind of like some zombie dead makeup. I need to add more blood, but I didn't want to go like too wild and crazy with it. So I'm a little bit nervous, but I am going to add more blood to this look. Anyway, I'm heading out to a Halloween party right now, and I just wanted to film it before I went. So yeah, got this costume like super duper on sale and was like, whatever, I'll be Dorothy. So I decided to do like the zombie dead version of her. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. Bye guys. Hey guys, happy Halloween and welcome back to my channel. So here I am, you guys, uploading a 3-year-old tutorial. I know. This look is super duper old. I did it a couple years ago, probably like 3 years ago to be exact. And I just never posted the look. And so I filmed it, I did the tutorial, I even edited the footage. The only thing it didn't have was a voiceover and music to it. So anyway, you guys, I'm sitting here planning my current looks for this year because I do plan on, filming some looks. And I said, why not just post it? This is back in my beginner makeup days where I was using the BH Cosmetics palette. You guys remember those palettes? They were old school. I had no clue what I was doing as far as shading goes and bruising and creating wounds and scars and things like that. So I just thought this was a really, really cool tutorial to show you guys kind of the beginning, like, YouTube stages for me. So anyway, you guys, if you wanted to see how I created this look a couple years ago and watch me basically play in makeup and throw some stuff in my face and not know what the hell I'm doing, then keep on watching. I'm sorry guys, can we just take a minute and laugh at how all over the place the tutorial is? Like, I started with my eye makeup, then I jumped into the wounds, and then I finished my eyeliner, and then I do the veins under my eye. Like, what the heck? Like, I should have finished my face first, and then did the wounds. But whatever, you live and you learn, you guys. I'm just all over the place in this tutorial, but this is really cracking me up. I have really come a long way. So you guys, I thought I'd just pop on here really quickly as you guys watch me struggle with this liquid latex that I just slapped on my face without a care in the world. A much better alternative today would have been like a colored scar wax or something similar, because between getting this stuck on my face and I definitely needed scissors, hello, but also making sure that all of the tissue was colored, that was the difficult part, as you can see.